What is going on, hustlers? Welcome to another edition of Wednesday Wins. So to begin with this episode, I want to discuss an Amazon shipment that we just sent in based on some retail arbitrage we did during the July 4th week. We sourced 49 different items for a total of 126 because we had multiple quantities on several of those SKUs. The average sales rank was 262,100. Now that doesn't scare me because the majority of what we sent in was in toys. So these were purchased at places like Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, you name it. Stores that you normally shop at. You could pick up the stuff, send it into Amazon, and make a profit. Total sales value. So what is this stuff going to sell for on Amazon? Well, at the time that we sent this in, it was estimated just shy of $2,500. So you're thinking, great, how much did you spend to get that? Our buy cost was $662.75. So that means after we pay Amazon their fees, after we get our buy cost back, we're putting another $960.89 into our pocket. Pretty good if you ask me. Now, the Amazon gods were very favorable to us. When we punched all of this into Inventory Lab, it was showing that we were sending the items to about 7 different warehouses, which that shipping can eat into your profits. When we transferred our shipping plan over to the Seller Central for Amazon and processed it, Amazon came back and said, send 99% of it to one warehouse and send 5 of the items to another warehouse. Thank you, Amazon. So the majority of it went to the one warehouse, which is pretty close to us, and it's one that a lot of my stuff tends to go to. We shipped them out Monday morning. So here it is Wednesday morning. They were received yesterday. So it shipped out Monday. I dropped them off at the FedEx store Monday morning, so they would have never even hit a FedEx truck until Monday evening, probably around 5 o'clock is when FedEx picks up at that store. They hit the truck that night, went down, and were delivered to the distribution center Tuesday afternoon. And at about 9 o'clock last night, I received an email saying that it was received in and processed, and probably within an hour after that, stuff already began selling. So makes it worthwhile when you buy quick selling items like that, and the shipping works in your favor to get the items in the distribution center as fast as possible. All right, let's move on to a couple Amazon sales that have happened recently. Now, I'm not going to show you everything because some of the stuff are replenishables, and I don't want to give it away. I will show you, however, some of the items that have sold that we come across from time to time, so you get an idea of what you can buy and what you can sell. So first up, we have this Barbie doll. Now, we purchased this Barbie doll from Dollar General for $5. We purchased a handful of them, and I have not seen them at any other Dollar General at that price. The difference between the dolls were the color of the clothing that she was wearing. This one in particular was the blue dress. We sold this doll for $15.78. Again, our buy cost was $5. We paid Amazon $5.56 in fees, leaving us $5.22 profit. Next up, we have this real-life MBA book from the Welch family. This book sold for $9.95. And the best part is, this is one of our Dollar Tree purchases. Our cost was $1. Fees are $8.05, so yes, that only leaves 90 cents profit per book. But remember, our buy cost is $1. That's almost doubling your money. And the best part was, we found 10 copies of it in the Dollar Tree and simply slid it in the box we were already sending to Amazon. So that's an extra $10 profit that we made for already sending stuff in. This item I wish I could get more of. We have a regional closeout store around us that has a few locations. You guys, if you follow us, you've heard me talk about this store before. So this horsehair counter duster, so it's like a little brush, little handheld brush, sold on Amazon for $10.87. Our buy cost on it was $1. The fees are $4.58. That leaves us $5.29 profit on every single one of these. Now, unfortunately, I was only able to get 27 of these. I wish this could be a regular item, but since it came out of a closeout store, unfortunately, once they are out of them, that is all they have. So when we look at this, our profit on those 27 was $142.83. That, to me, was a good day. Next up, let's take a look at some eBay sales. This first item actually just sold within the last few days. This was an item I purchased up on Monday of last week. And I was in doing some retail arbitrage to send stuff to Amazon. Found these in a clearance section. Was checking expiration dates on some other stuff I bought from the same drugstore, and I forgot to look at this box. So when I got them back here and was processing them in to Amazon, I realized these expired next month. There was no way I could send them to Amazon. So I turned around and listed them on eBay at about 1 o'clock in the morning. I woke up the next morning at about 8 o'clock to an offer on the two that I had. We had listed them for $16.24 a piece. We received an offer of $13 a piece for both ones. It started off with a message asking when they expire. I responded back and said, August of 2019. And the person who purchased them turned around and submitted an offer for $13 a piece, and I gladly accepted it. Why? Because my buy cost was $4 a piece, or a total of $8. So our cost was $8. We received 26. Shipping these, because it literally was just on the other side of the state for me, was only $3.82. We paid PayPal and eBay $5.12 in fees, to give us a net profit of $7.68. To me, to make $7.68, or almost doubling my money on a mistake, I will take that all day long. Our next item on eBay. Now, again, I'm not going to show you everything that sells on eBay because we still have some stuff up that sold that is we have multiple quantities of, and I don't need people playing around with our listings and purchasing items and not paying for them and all that fun jazz. So next up is this Keith Daniels You Crack Me Up necktie. This was an item we found at the thrift store for 50 cents. We originally had it up for a little bit more. This has been sitting for a year with no interest whatsoever. We finally reduced the price down to $5, including shipping, and we're able to sell it. However, the shipping for some reason on this one was a little higher than we were planning. Usually when we ship neckties, they're about $1, $1.50 to ship, and for some reason this one was $3.09. After fees of $1.11 to PayPal and eBay, we're left with 30-cent profit. Again, that doesn't sound like a lot, but gotta remember our buy cost was only 50 cents. So again, we almost doubled our money. Not usually what I like to get. I don't like to work for 30-cent profit per item because my time's worth a lot more than 30 cents, and I'm sure you feel yours is too. Next up is these eyelashes. Now, we had 4 of these in total that we had pulled out of the liquidation pallets we buy. The last 2 sold together, and our buy cost is estimated at about a penny a piece, or 2 cents in total. Because of the sheer number of items that come in these pallets, we don't count every single piece on each pallet. We just use the estimate of a penny a piece for anything we purchase in these pallets. So we got our asking price of $9.99 each, so a total of $19.98. It cost us $3.09 to ship them. We paid eBay and PayPal $3.51 in fees, leaving us $13.36 profit. So these eyelashes, we had a bunch others that were different curls, different sizes, and I apologize if I offend any of the female community because I don't know exactly the particulars on it. I know they came in different letter grades, different measurements, and every single one of them that we had as we listed it sold pretty quick. We did do our research to make sure we were pricing at what they were selling for, and apparently people like to order them. So if you come across these anywhere and can get them at a good price, it's worth selling. So that is all I have for you in this Wednesday's wins. Please like this video if you found it valuable. If you did not find it valuable, please go ahead, give us the thumbs down. Hopefully you're a subscriber to our channel. If you're not, please subscribe today. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can get notified when we post a new video. Alrighty, hustlers, get out there and go do.